Hello, everyone. Another day, another practice. This is Workbook Part 10A. All right, it changed my life. Do you remember the story of that student who went to Vietnam? Right, okay. Grammar, simple past, regular verbs. Complete the sentences with the simple past of the verbs. For example, number one, we walked in the park on Sunday. Walk, walked. All right, seems easy, right? Good. Stop the video and do it. Check it with your partner. Okay, let's do it together. Number two, they arrived in Hawaii yesterday morning. Number three, Lisa started work early today. Number four, the car stopped at the red light. Number five, Kara cried a lot during the movie. Number six, April liked the fish. Well done. Easy, huh? Just add ed and it's okay. Start, started. Arrive, arrived. All right. Write negative sentences, negative, using the words given. For example, Robert talked to Bill. Negative for Tony. Robert didn't talk to Tony. Right? And then the next one, order the words to make questions. For example, learn where you French did. Where did you learn French? Question mark. Right? Stop the video and do it. Check with your partner. Okay, let's do it together. Number two, Clara didn't arrive last night. Right. Number three, they opened the door. They didn't open the window. Number four, John looked at his phone. John didn't look at his watch. Looked, didn't look. We traveled by bus. We didn't travel by taxi. The movie started at 8:20. The movie didn't start at 7:50. Number seven, Max cooked fish for dinner. Meat. Max didn't cook meat for dinner. Number eight, Selena learned how to say hello. Goodbye. Selena didn't learn how to say goodbye. Well done, good, you're doing okay. Number two, did you walk to school? Number three, when did you arrive in Brazil? Number four, how did they greet the teacher? Number five, did Joe close the door? Number six, what did you learn in school yesterday? Number seven, did they talk to the teacher? Number eight, what time did your class start? Well done, you did very good. Keep it up. Good. In the next part, vocabulary, common verbs. Complete the questions with the verbs arrive, cook, greet, help, laugh, like, miss, move, travel, try. For example, look at number one. What do you see in the picture? The man is cooking. Yes. Now look at the question. Do you cook meals at home every day? Cook and cook. Cook is crossed from here, like here. All right. Stop the video and do it. Check with your partner. Okay, let's do it together. Number two. Did you move to a new house this year? Very good. Number three, how do you greet your friends? Number four, what time did you arrive? Number five, did you laugh at the movie? Number six, do you like soccer? Number seven, do you travel to school by motorcycle? Number eight, does she miss her baby? Number nine, did you help anyone yesterday? Number 10. How often do you try new food? Well done. Pronunciation. Regular simple past endings. For example, de, learned, ends with de. T, like t-shirt, cooked, stopped, laughed. It, visited, started, ended. Listen and practice.
File 10A. Pronunciation. A.
Learned. Moved. Traveled.
Cooked. Stopped. Laughed.
Visited. Started. Ended.
Good. So that's how you pronounce it. Now in the next part, circle two more simple past forms where ed is pronounced at like this: visited, started, ended, needed, like this. Do it with your partner. Good. Well done. Listen and check.
File 10A. Pronunciation. C. Asked. Finished. Liked. Listened. Looked. Needed. Played. Started. Talked. Used. Wanted. Worked.
Very nice. Let's check it together. Yes, started, wanted. Good, well done. Now we have a listening here. Sam studied in Nepal last year. Listen to an interview with Sam and choose A or B. This is Sam, right? So, number 1, he lived A, in a hotel, B, with a host family. Listen and choose A or B. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
File 10A. Listening. Sam, how was Nepal?
It was amazing. I was there for 3 months, and I changed a lot.
Where did you live?
I lived in the city with a host family. They were a mother and father and a son. The son was the same age as me, so that was fun.
What did you do there?
I studied Nepali language. My classes started at 8 o'clock every morning and finished at 5 in the afternoon. I also studied Nepali customs. I learned a lot of Nepali songs.
That's great. How did you travel to school?
I traveled on foot. My host brother traveled by motorcycle, but I didn't want to do that. The traffic was terrifying.
Did you visit the mountains?
Yes, I did. I walked in the mountains for a week. It was very hard work.
How was the food?
Well, the food was okay. It was very basic. Rice and vegetables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I really missed American pizza. Oh, but I tried a delicious drink called a lassi.
What is that?
It has fruit and yogurt in it, and it's very delicious.
Well done. Very good. Okay, check your answers with your partner. Good. Let's do it together. He lived B, with a host family. Number 2, he studied. What did he study? Do you remember? Nepali language and customs. Very good. Number 3, he learned about what? Nepali songs. Number 4, he traveled to school. To school how? On foot. Number 5, he visited A or B? The mountains. Number 6. He tried. What did he try? A drink with fruit and yogurt. Right. Well done. Very good. Now these are some words that you can use. On foot, yogurt, terrible, delicious, terrifying, friendly. Well, this one's done. Very nice. Do it every day. You can do it. I believe in you. Be the best version.